Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a link of a post on LinkedIn. So the first step is to head over to your LinkedIn feed and browse to the post you want to copy the link for. And in my case, there is this post that I want to copy the link for. I will just click on this three dots on the upper right corner of the post. I will just click on them, and then here you can see multiple options. On the second option, you can see copy link to the post. I will click on it, and the link for the post will be copied on my clipboard. So as you can see, I will just paste on the link on new tab and click enter, and it will automatically open the post I've copied the link for. Here, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.